we will be adding all the other ingredients. When you add your honey, you're going to want to grab a spatula like this. Make sure you get it all out of there. Easier to use a bigger measuring cup like this too, so you can really get the spatula in there and get it all. And then you add your 1/4 cup of mustard. And you can turn it up a little bit more as your butter is melted already. Add your curry powder and salt. And that's all you need to make the sauce. So mix it around a little. Just let it sit for a while and let the flavors move and let everything mix together. And then you can use a wire whisk to get it mixed up a little bit better. Then I already have the oven preheating at 375 degrees. I got my chicken. And I'm just gonna pour my mixture on top of the chicken. Really want to get it all out of the pan. I like a lot of extra sauce, but you can probably cut the recipe in half a little bit if you don't like as much as I do. Or maybe just add a little more chicken. Stick it in the oven for about 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. And that's the simple recipe for honey mustard chicken. And after I pull it out of the oven, it is nice and golden brown. You want to let it sit for a little while and cool. And then you can serve. I like to cook these little pasta sides. You can always just pick them up at Woodman's is where I get them. I make them with a lot of my easy recipes. And that's all for now.